Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to convert a RAR extension file to ICO. If you're looking to do this on Android, we have a very simple way to do it even without having a computer. So just open up your Chrome browser or anyone you're using and then go to the mconverter.eu or just type in mconverter in the search and go to this website. And in here guys, you just choose your file that you wish to convert. So just press on this field right here and then choose the file, the RAR file, from your phone storage. Okay, now my RAR file is uploaded, as you can see, and now you just need to choose which extension you wish to convert to. Press on ICO, and now as you can see it's already being converted, and then just download it. There you go. And now your file is downloaded. You can go into the settings, into downloads, and then as you can see I have this mconverter.eu, my RAR file, converted into ICO. If I go and try to rename it, as you can see it now has the ICO extension. That's it. Easy to do, guys. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.